Good morning, students. Our today's topic isotopes and isobars, and these two topics are from your chapter structure of atom, and these are very important topics, and always they are asked by the students what are isotopes, what are isobars. So students, let me first discuss about isotopes. So students, isotopes are atoms of same element which have same atomic numbers but different mass numbers. So you have to keep in your mind, isotopes are atoms of same element. Atoms of same element which have same atomic numbers but different mass numbers. Students, in isotopes, atomic numbers are same, and you know atomic number is the number of protons in the nucleus of atom. So also you can say isotopes are atoms of same element which have same number of protons. As atomic numbers are same in case of isotopes, so you can say number of protons in isotopes are same. But mass number is different in case of isotopes. Why mass numbers are different? Because you know mass number is the sum of proton and neutron. As in case of isotope, protons are same, so certainly due to difference in neutrons, mass number of isotopic elements are different. So one another definition you can say here, isotopes are atoms of same element which have same number of protons but different number of neutrons. For example, C12, C13 and C14, all these three are isotopes of carbon element. Students, all these three atoms have different mass numbers but similar atomic numbers. Okay? Also you can say number of protons in all these three are same. Here I have shown Z, which is atomic number. You know Z is equal to P and this is equal to 6 here. So Z equal to 6. Now also you know A, which is mass number, and mass number is equal to P plus A. So the value of a mass number is 12 in this case. So 12. Number of protons are 6 and neutrons, when I calculated, I found 6. So in carbon 12, number of neutron is 6 and number of protons are 6. In case of carbon 13, number of protons are 6 but number of neutrons are 7. And in case of carbon 14, number of protons are same but number of neutrons are different, means 8. So all these three isotopes of carbon, you are looking, number of protons are same but number of neutrons are different. So this is the concept of isotopes. Okay, so once again, isotopes are atoms of same element which have same number of protons but different number of neutrons. Okay, Now, applications of isotope, and this is important topic from this chapter, from this topic, which you must know. So, applications of isotopes. First application, an isotope of uranium is used as fuel in nuclear reactor. Second, an isotope of iodine is used in treatment of goiter disease. Goiter is the disease of neck in which neck swells up. So that disease is treated with help of isotope of iodine. And third, an isotope of cobalt is used in treatment of cancer. Number 4, an isotope of phosphorus is used in treatment of leukemia disease, which is a type of blood cancer and mainly belongs to women. So in this way you are looking here, isotopes are very important for us. They contribute in our life much more. Okay, so this is the concept of isotope. And now the second topic is isobars. So what are isobars? You must know here, and also what is difference between isotope and isobar you can understand here. Isobars. Students, isobars are atoms of different elements. Isobars are atoms of different elements which have same mass numbers but different atomic numbers. So one difference between isotope and isobar is that an isotope is atom and isotope are atoms of same element, whereas isobars are atoms of different elements. In isotopes, atomic numbers are same but mass numbers are different, whereas in isobars atomic numbers are different but mass numbers are same. For example, students, this is three different atoms of element: argon, potassium and calcium, and all these three have similar mass number but their atomic numbers are different. So what is relationship between all these three? Certainly they are isobars because they are atoms of different elements having same mass numbers but different atomic numbers. And that's all for today. Thank you very much.